Here's a 2011 Ford F-250 Super Duty, one owner with a clean Carfax in red, only 27,000 miles. Really, where you're going to find a truck like this, 6.2 liter V8 gas engine, only 27,000 miles, and a 2011. Has a flatbed with toolboxes. We're just going to kind of walk around, but if you're looking for a 2500 that's like new, that can get anything done that you need it to do, just go ahead and take a look at this one. Let's go ahead and take a walk around the vehicle. We got Goodyear tires here, like new, 3/4 tread at least, steel wheels. You can see we have a nice shiny rotor and thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. You can find the results of the inspection signed up by the technician that performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. XL trim here, so we got the vinyl covered seats, 40/20/40 with a fold down center split bench. We also have the vinyl floors. Does allow for 6 passenger capacity if needed. See pretty much a light gray, dark gray, two-tone scheme inside here. Also want to show you the report that I spoke of. You can see here all the tires, like new, 13/32 on the front, 15 on the back, and all new brakes all the way around. You know, in today's competitive market where everybody's trying to be the lowest price on the internet, many are skimping on reconditioning. We do not. We completely go over these vehicles' wearables and want to give you a like new vehicle at a used car price. As we look into the back, you can see you still have a little bit of leg, hip, and shoulder room in that back seat area if needed for extra passengers. And you can see here, now we got the flatbed with the toolboxes. They are staggered. Now, these toolboxes can be taken off if you don't want them, or they can be repositioned if you'd like them in different places. But for the most part, you know, we just kind of left them as they were from the previous owner. Also, you can see that frame rail is in excellent shape, no oxidation. Continue around to the back. So we do have the tow hitch as well with the full-size spare. As we come around to the other side, all the tires match. Showed you the specs on this vehicle, and then through the driver's side, manual adjustment obviously on all the seats. Standard crank windows with manual locks and manual mirrors. Let's go ahead and hop inside here. Show you a copy of the Carfax. You can see no accidents or damage, one owner. Let's go ahead and show you we do have 2 sets of keys here for this vehicle. You can see no keyless entry, just 2 standard keys. We do have the keys for the toolboxes as well. Let's go ahead and start it up. You can see 27,100 miles. That's really not only the utility and the way this truck is set up, the fact that it only has 27,000 miles, and it looks it. Excellent condition. You got your headlamp controls there with the dimmer. High beams, turn signals with intermittent wiper washers to the left. We got a column shift with the tow haul and the ability to select any of the gears on the right. Got your ability to change in your center display here on the left. We do have just a standard AM FM radio. We got your 4-wheel drive selector here, your differential lock. We also got let's see what else, climate control below that, a couple cup holders. And in the console, a little tray there to keep some belongings. We got some halogen lights there. No visors, mirrored visors, auto dim on your rear view. I mean, very basic. And the equipment, obviously, this truck is set up to work. Foot pedal for the emergency brake. Let's check out the 6.2 here. See, looks like a new one, 27,000 miles, no exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks, no corrosion on any of the battery terminals, well maintained. Shut the truck off, get into the last portion of the video. Now again, all new, like new tires and brakes all the way around, new brakes, also clean Carfax as I showed you. One owner, no accidents or damage. Last part of making informed buying decisions, Cosmetic Appearance. This one's got a couple little things on my first walk around. I'll show you. I mean, we got a couple little stone chips there on the door. Kind of go back and across. Little chip there. Little chip there, obviously. Truck was used for work, so we're going to have some chips. Obviously on the steel flatbed, and nothing can hurt that, and it's in good shape. As you can see, we'll just kind of walk it pretty quick there. All the toolboxes work. Open easy, diamond plate bed. And then as we come back up to the cab here, a few more just like on the other door, spattering of stone chips here and whatnot. And there was a dent here. They are, two on the hood, a couple dents on the hood, one here, chip there, a couple little speck stone chips here across the black bumper. And then there was another dent on this hood somewhere. Oh yeah, dead center. You can see it there, dead center, a couple scratches. But all in all, guys, where are you gonna find this truck? If you need it, come get it, because somebody needs it and they're gonna love it, and it's not gonna be here long. If you're interested, give us a call, area code 717-485-4224, option 1 for sales. Come visit us, 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Look us up online, www.allthingsautomotive.com. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.